third part regarding community health nursing 1 in introduction to community. Okay, in this we are going to discuss about mental health. Okay, in mental health, what is mean by mental health? The person is free from any psychiatric disorders. Okay, free from internal conflicts. So many of internal conflicts will be there in the each and every individual. Okay, who are called as a healthy person, the person should not have any conflicts. Okay, the person free from psychiatric disorders. ఓకే, మానసికంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండడం అన్నమాట. ఎప్పుడు ఉంటారు? వాళ్ళకి మెంటల్లీ ఎనీ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ నాట్ దేర్. ఓకే, డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ లేనప్పుడు మాత్రమే దే ఆర్ మెంటల్లీ హెల్దీ. ఓకే, మెంటల్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్, ఓకే, కన్ఫ్యూజన్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్ not there means then the person will be healthy. Here well adjusted. Okay, in the society each and every individual develop their one characteristic, that is the adjustment. Okay, in their normal life as a individual we should improve our quality, that is the adjustment for each and every situation, for improving our health, for maintenance of normal health. Okay, well adjusted, and the person should have the self control. Okay, each and every situation the person having the some controlness, that negative emotions or positive emotions will be there, the emotion should be controlled by the individuals. Okay, if the person should be expressed, the person going to get some problems. Okay, in situationally the person should be behave. Okay, why? Because by self control only they are reducing so many of problems. Okay, some self control not there, they are doing not control their life means they are going to face so many of diseases. Next one is the another one, that is the in mental health they are able to make friendship. Okay, you know, one person is there, the person is always individuality. Okay, another person is there, the person having the good friendship. Why? Because the person is able to communicate, the person is having self control, the person is maintain adjustment. That's why the person having so many number of friends. Okay, each and every individual who are called as the mentally healthy, those are having self control, those are having well adjustment characteristic, those are free from conflicts. Okay, those are make friends. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా మనతో కమ్యూనికేట్ అవ్వట్లేరు అనుకోండి, పర్వాలేదులే అని చెప్పి వదిలేయకుండా వీ షుడ్ గో అండ్ వీ షుడ్ కమ్యూనికేట్ విత్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ పర్సన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వై యు ఆర్ నాట్ కమ్యూనికేట్ విత్ మీ? Okay, is there any problem? Behalf of me, I am sorry. Like that we are make some friendship. Okay, who are making this type of qualities, those are mentally healthy. Okay, in this satisfaction of life, each and every individuals they are having the one quality, that is the satisfaction. Okay, who are having satisfaction characteristics, they are healthy. Okay, their surroundings or their daily life or personal life or family life, whatever it may be, they are having satisfaction, then only they are mentally healthy. Okay, each and every moment they are not satisfied, dissatisfaction characteristic is there means they are going to improve their unhealthy status. Okay, that's why as a individual compulsory should have the satisfaction in their life. Next one is the success and happiness. Okay, whatever it may be in that situation, if you have good success then you feel happy. Okay, in a sad situation also you should have not happiness. Okay, in situationally if happiness will be there means, or good news is there means you maintain happiness. If sad news is there means you have some sad situation. After that you use the defense mechanism and you should restore from the problems. Okay, this is the mental health. Next one is the spiritual health. Okay, in spiritual health what happens means here the person that mind, body, soul. Okay, mind means, okay, mind is there, body is there. I hope you are understand mind and body. Next, soul. Okay, our soul means atma. Okay, that mind, body, soul are separate. The soul is contained in the body, minds parts. Okay, here for improving our spiritual health, okay, for improving our spiritual health as a individual, what is told our soul, that you go according to your soul only, you should run away. Okay, whatever it signals or whatever knowledge or skills or what is the says your soul, okay, according to your soul you should run for success your goal. Okay, this is the spiritual health. Next one is the social health. In social health, every individual is having that family and community. Okay, each and every individual have family. Is it right? Okay, without family we are not there, no? Okay, in family there, in community is there. Okay, in the community or in family, free from any social problems. Okay, then the persons are healthy. Okay, in this that so what is that biological concept is there, concept of health in that biological concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept. Next one is the holistic concept. Okay, mainly these are the types is there. First one is the biological concept. What is meant by biological concept? According to this biological concept, the persons are free from diseases or absence of diseases. Okay, యొక్క biological concept ప్రకారం any individuals free from diseases, okay, or absence of diseases. Next, in this germ theory, according to germ theory, in the 20th century the theory should be explained that biological concept. germ theory ప్రకారం, ఓకే, 20వ సెంచరీలో ఈ యొక్క బయాలజికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రకారం ఏంటి అని అంటే డిసీజెస్ లేకుండా హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ ఉండడమే హెల్త్, అంతే. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, ఇన్ దిస్ మినిమైజ్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్, సోషల్, సైకలాజికల్, కల్చరల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, యాజ్ ఏ ఇండివిజువల్ వీ షుడ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫర్ అవర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ చేంజెస్ వల్ల సో మెనీ ఆఫ్ హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విల్ బి, వెదర్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ కూల్ మీన్స్ some health problems is there. Okay, that environment so heat means some heat stroke problem will be there. Okay, as a individual we should respond that diseases. Okay, if severe cold is there means we protect our body from the coldness. Okay, if very hot environment will be there means we only respond for our body for protecting from the heat. Okay, means what are the problems will be arise by that environment or the community or society or culturally. Okay, psychologically they are reduce their problems. ఓకే, వాతావరణం నుంచి కానీ లేదంటే పర్సనల్గా హెల్తీ నుంచి కానీ లేదంటే సైకలాజికల్గా కానీ సోషల్గా కానీ ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చినా వాటి అన్నింటినీ తగ్గించుకోవాలి ఒక హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్గా. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద బయాలజికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. Okay, next one is the ecological concept. Okay, in biological concept another point also there, the person should be reduce some what is that malnutrition problems. Okay, in malnutrition problems will be there, means the person is able to reduce their malnutrition. How? Proper nutrition. Okay, సరైనటువంటి పోషక ఆహార పదార్థాలు తీసుకోవడం వల్ల the person should be healthy. Okay, they want to take good nutritious food but the food not available means then the person is going to search for which is the good nutrition food. Okay, that next one is the ecological concept. In ecological concept what is that means imperfect man, imperfect environment. Okay, హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్కి ఇంపర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉంటారో ద పర్సన్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు అడ్జస్ట్ దట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్, then the person going to face so many of health problems. Okay, according to this ecological concept, imperfect man and imperfect environment. Okay, next one is the psychosocial concept. Okay, in psychosocial concept, here not only this biological concept, here what have happened means it will be influence on the social, culture and psychological and political. Okay, as a individual, their health should be influenced politically. Okay, for example, one person is wants their desire, I am a political leader. Okay, like that they are having one desire. Okay, their desire not satisfaction means he is unable to select as a political leader. Then the person is having some unhealthiness. Why? What is the reason? Means due to the psychosocial problems. Okay, according to the psychosocial concept, the person is free from political problems or cultural problems or social problems, not only food, shelter, clothes. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క బయలాజికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రకారం ఫుడ్, షెల్టర్, క్లోత్స్ అన్నీ బాగుంటే హెల్తీగా ఉన్నట్టు. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క ఇకలాజికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రకారం హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అడ్జస్ట్ అవ్వకపోతే, పర్ఫెక్ట్గా హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ లేనప్పుడు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్కి అడ్జస్ట్ అవ్వలేరు, అందుకనే వాళ్ళు అన్హెల్దీగా ఉంటారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ సైకలాజికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్, దిస్ పొలిటికల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఆర్ ద కల్చరల్ ఆర్ ఎకనామికల్ ఆర్ సోషల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఆన్ ద హెల్త్. Okay, next last one is the holistic concept. Okay, in this holistic concept, it will be synthesis from all concept. Okay, in this all concept, the holistic concept, holistic, complete, total. Okay, మొత్తం హెల్తీగా ఉండడానికి ఏం చేయాలి. Okay, in this strengthen of social, economical, political environment of the health. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క బయలాజికల్గా, ఇకలాజికల్గా, సైకోసోషల్గా ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లేకుండా వెల్ అడ్జస్ట్గా ఉండి వెల్నెస్ ఉంటే అప్పుడు హోలిస్టిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అంటే. ఓకే, హియర్ ఇన్ ద ఇండివిజువల్స్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ ద అగ్రికల్చర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, ద ఇండివిజువల్స్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ద ఇండివిజువల్స్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫుడ్. Okay, so many of number of people should be suffering with the food problems. Why? Because sufficient food not available for eating them. Next, some housing capacity. Okay, now housing, proper housing, pakka house, kacha house not available. Okay, then they are going to face some problems. Okay, next, some industrial problems or sometimes public works or some communication. Okay, major problem communication. If you are not maintained balanced communication with the others, we should go into face so many of problems. Okay, this is regarding concept of health. What are the concept? Biological concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept, holistic concept.